All right, so there you have it. We put this Doodlebug project together, and my son was riding it around. But brief overview of what we did. I had purchased this frame, a kind of rolling frame, on Facebook, and brought it here. But I needed to get an engine and some of the odds and ends for it. But was able to get all that and put it together. So we started with the wheels, got those put on. I had to get a new tire put on the back because it was, too worn down. And put the brakes on, and you probably saw me there. I was, putting the axle on back and forth a couple times because I was trying to get these spacers right in here. Had to space it out just enough to where the disc fits into the brake pads. It has a little bit of a minor adjustment, but not a whole lot. So took a minute to kind of get that set. But once that was in, we were good. Then we put the engine on. This is just your typical 79cc from Harbor Freight. The frame that we have here, it's built to where it matches the mounting bolts for the motor itself. So there was no left or right adjustment. It was all just front to back. So that sprocket on the engine lines up with the sprocket on the rear wheel. Kind of nice. So after that, we were able to put the brake lever on. I put it on the wrong handlebar first, but then we got that moved. And then we got the throttle put on, and this is the throttle cable here. It's hard to see, but I had to get this bracket here to put on. I got it from Go Power Sports, and what that does is it holds the cable here, so your throttle cable, holds the housing, so your cable can go through this adjuster, this throttle on the engine itself, this little lever arm. And you had to drill holes in it and put this barrel clamp through it, and then you put a spring on the other end. It's kind of a bolt on. There's nothing much, nothing fancy there, but it allows you to use this as a spring-loaded throttle versus a set kind of throttle. So after that, I put the clutch on, put the fenders on, things like that. Got the chain put on, and then tension it up with this tensioner down here. We have the pegs here, and I'm not super fans of these. They're really intended for where the mounts are 90 degrees to this, but and these are a little small. They kind of do the job. They're not spring loaded, but they at least keep your feet off the ground for now. So probably look into something different. But again, nice afternoon project. Took me a little bit longer because I had to buy some parts I didn't realize I needed. But a nice, easy project, and appreciate you sticking around for this video. If you would like this and share this video, I hope this helps you out in your build, and appreciate you sticking around. Thanks.